In this lecture, we have to create the following drawing. So here we have isometric view of our assembly with a scale 1 to 2. And on the left side, we have a front view of our assembly with scale 1 to 2, but here we have two configurations. This one, in this position, is configuration 1, and in this position is configuration 2. And then we have to measure the angle between the table in the configuration 1 and configuration 2. So let's go to our assembly. So here we have our assembly, and if we go here, the configuration manager, we can see that we have two configurations. This is configuration A with this position of the table. Let's double click on the configuration B like this, and now we can see that our table has changed the position. But now let's go to configuration A. Let's create a drawing file. Let's go to new, drawing. Let's choose a landscape. Here, let's click OK. Now let's go here to the view palette. Let's choose here positioner. Now let's go down and let's choose here isometric view, like this. Let's go here and let's change the display style. Let's go with shaded with edges. Let's go down here and let's change the scale since we have 1 to 2, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go here to notation. Let's type here scale 1 to 2. Like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go here. Let's insert front view. Like this. Now we have to change the scale of this front view, so let's click on this view. Let's go down. Let's go with use custom scale. Let's change it to 1 to 2, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go to this text. Let's copy this text. Let's click here. Let's paste, like this. So now here on the front view we have configuration A. Now we have to add a configuration B. So let's go here to the view layout. Let's go here to alternate position view. And now we have to select the drawing view. Let's select this drawing view. And now we have to here specify new configuration, or we can go with existing configuration. Let's go with existing configuration, and this is B. Let's click OK. And now here we have our configuration B. And now we have to measure the angle between this line here and this line here. So let's go here to notation. Let's choose smart dimension. Let's click on this line here. Let's choose this line here, and this is not possible. As we showed in the previous lecture, you can't measure angle like this. We have to create here a center line as well here, and then we have to measure angle between those two center lines. So let's go here to the sketch. Let's choose center line. Let's start, for example, from here, from this point. Let's create a center line that's collinear with this line here, like this. Now let's choose another center line. Let's start, for example, from this point. Let's create a center line that's collinear with this line here, like this. And now we can go to notation. We can choose smart dimension. Now we can choose this center line here, and here is our angle, 85 degrees. Let's click OK. Make this dimension driven, OK, and OK. And this is what we're looking for. So now here we have isometric view, here we have front view with two different configurations and with the angle between those two configurations.